sorry for what I said back there. We're in this together. You're my ticket out of the junkyard down here. I'm your ticket to the outside world. I'll do my best to keep the insults at a minimum.
You reckon this guy's a robot or a core?
Next time.
It could be. Maybe it's an early version of the Adventure Sphere.
That'd be funny. That'd actually be kind of cool. His name's Rick.
Rick.
Rick. Yeah, so this is Virgil, not Rick.
Yeah, I know. You don't want to hear any more bad news after the security override. I couldn't do. My records of this sphere are out of date, to say the least. There should be an exit after the third section of this test. However, I don't know if getting there will be that easy.
Alright, you did a thing.
You're my Olympian,
It goes up.
who might not have a beating heart anymore.
What? Don't have a beating heart.
Who doesn't have a beating heart?
Par for the course. Me. Apparently. Let's also just do this while I'm at it. There's no harm in that. Yeah, I had a feeling.
Oh, you gotta go really fast and then press, then do a thing.
Gotta go really, 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 really fast. One small step for everybody. Ah! Oh god. Oh god!
What?
I veered too much to the right.
Well, veer more to the left.
Yeah, I know.
Don't tell me how to live my life.
Any more bad
I will.
news after the security
Alright, don't worry, I figured it out though, so it's fine.
My records of this sphere are out of date, to say the least. There should be an exit
Have
after
the,
the third section of this
just
test.
out of date. Does that mean that all this stuff was done
There will be that easy.
before everyone went on Borealis?
You're my Olympian, who might not
I
have
do
a
not
beating heart
know.
anymore.
Before what happened, sorry?
Wait, you might not have a beating heart. That's what he said.
Yes.
All right then,
Duh.
Dummy.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Dumbo? That's better.
Dumbo the elephant.
Thank you for keeping our enrichment spheres clean.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it looks real clean. Okay, now.
That was cool.
I'm in the groove, man. I just need to think about where I am portal-wise.
All right, and then you find a really difficult puzzle, and then you'll be like, "Give up."
I will. Like this one. I give up! Fuck this! I'm done! This is bullshit.
You're on fire. Oh. Yeah,
Alright, I figured it out.
did
It's
it.
easy. I need
This
to know
one's
why I was
easy.
struggling.
All right. Here we go. Okay.
Come on, I need to spaz around like a fucking
Whoa.
loon.
Did a thing.
A fuckaloo. A fuckaloo, a fuckalay.
Glee.
Fuckalay, fucking fuck. Wait, shut up. Wait. Wait a cotton picking.
Where'd it
huh?
come?
Dude, now you took it too far.
Where'd it come?
Reckon that'll work? I don't think it will.
A lot of paint splash going on there.
Talk to me about paint splashes. Splatoon, man. Alright.
What do you think of Splatoon 2?
Splatoon.
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty neat.
You think it's too much? Splatoon much?
You're so funny, it hurts me. I feel pains by your funniness. It disturbs me.
Alright, I'm ready.
Ready for what?
Ready for action.
Ah! Alright, what? I didn't think it would. I didn't know if I could jump on
Well,
it.
I was ready. You weren't.
Well, fuck you. Wow, what a pointless thing. Alright,
Alright.
it's making noises at this point. That's commentary for you. Today we had some people over and we just played some Civ 5 and we didn't record it because fuck you. But we were doing it for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. And I'm really tired. And so that's why the commentary sucks a big cut fat dick.
Big car dick.
Big cut fat dick.
It's pretty coffee.
A pretty cough. Do a pretty cough for me.
I think we should do a whole episode
Do a pretty cough!
of Amy Industries just
Cough
coughing.
like a pretty person. As if you were one. That's not pretty at all, that's disturbing. It's like this gremlin cough.
I don't it? Yeah, yeah.
That's a sexy cough, not a pretty cough.
What's a pretty cough then?
It's fucking a pretty cough.
Like,
Don't. Just don't. No one's gonna find this funny. This is fair enough. I don't either. Alright. I don't know. Who
think
left
you
this
have to-
piece of corrugated
I
iron
think
here?
you have to fall down that hole.
What hole? What? Don't laugh. Oh, this one. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Ah. Alright.
You are correct.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
I'm getting some strange voice coming through.
It's me.
I'll patch it through.
Okay, that's creepy.
Lima Whiskey, 70% complete. No vital signs detected. Initiating flooding procedure.
That's coming up from New Average. What's that? My scans are going nuts. Something's happening. The sphere's unstable. Get out of here. Run!
What do you expect me to fucking do? I gotta solve a dang puzzle. They're gonna fill up the chambers with toxic waste. Well, too bad. It's already happened.
Yeah, everything's buggered already. Don't even worry about
There's
it.
a lot of puzzles where you gotta like
Oh, Jesus.
I wonder if we're on the time limit. That'd be funny.
That would be...
Um.
that would be like Portal Prelude level of Portal.
Oh man, Portal Prelude. Now that's a fucking experience.
That's a rage game.
It can be.
It's a cage game sometimes.
The shaking's making me a bit unnerved. I won't lie.
Why don't you just portal over there?
Over where? Just out the
To
exit.
the right.
Let's go.
No,
Here.
to the right. The right. Yeah.
Why would I? What's the point?
I don't know, what's
Explain
that?
to me why. Yes, I know I have to do something with this, but
You have to bounce, and you have to drop from high. That's my first
something
guess.
here. Because that there and then something.
Oh, it looks like you have to do a really big
I
run.
gotta get up there somehow. So I would presume that I need the.
Damn it.
I need the repulsion gel, but the repulsion gel is not on a portable platform.
A potable. Oh, because you're just supposed to land on that. You're just supposed to land on the blue one. So you want the red one, the yellow, the orange, running.
Yeah, and that's up
Gel.
there. But how do I get up there?
Oh,
There it is. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm getting it.
Okay.
How do I even get this in here? Oh, there was a thing. Alright, gotcha. How do I turn that off? A switch that is up there.
Oh, can't. No, I was pressing the button. Oh, wait. Is there are portable services on
I'm thinking.
in the where the box is?
Yes.
So you can just go through it. You can jump over it like
Yeah, I
that.
gotta get this box out of here.
Yeah, look up. There's ones up the top. Where you can.
Yeah.
No, even further up. There's some right up the edge there. There we go.
I think that's the side of the thingy. Yeah, it's not.
Oh.
It's corrugated iron.
Well, I guess you're gonna have to run up there. You have to bounce.
I know. Whoopsie daisy. Hold on a sec. I'm thinking. Hold on. Orange. Blue.
Pretty proud of myself. After those push-ups.
Should be. I'm proud of myself for solving this puzzle.
You're welcome.
And that makes that go away. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Now this.
Alright. So, what you gonna do, Goldblum?
Okay, I'm just thinking for half a sec.
Wait. You can run through the walls there. So you want one to come flying out. And you can
There's
run.
more to it than that. There's a gate there first off, so they try running.
Wait, no. Alright, press the orange one on the walls there. And then you can run through it, and then...
And then what?